And now the most satisfying part, the peeling of the plastic. So what's up guys, Azcakes here from Azcakes Rev TV. So today I got this 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD drive enclosure from ORICO. So I recently upgraded my old Lenovo laptop drive to SSD, leaving this old 1TB hard drive and unuseful. So the link to that video will be in the description. So I thought why not use this as an external drive with the help of this enclosure. So as you can see, this is a 2.5-inch variant. So this is a 2.5-inch hard disk. And this is the 3.5-inch. So the 3.5-inch enclosures are also available online. So this also supports USB 3.0 and has fastest speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, and it's also a tool-free installation. So just pop in the hard drive inside this enclosure and start copying files, and that's it. So I bought this from Amazon and the link for this will be in the description. So let's get into the unboxing. So here we have the enclosure itself. It also comes with this padding for the hard disk. And it comes with some user manual and the data cable itself. So let's keep this aside and let's get into the installation process. So this is a sliding type enclosure. So you have to just slide this out just like this, and you have to insert this hard disk. I think this is very firm. Just like that. Yeah, it's very firm. It doesn't come down. So the next thing we have to do is just slide this back in. Just like this. Yes. And now the most satisfying part, the peeling of the plastic. As you can see, the hard disk inside the enclosure. So for reference, I will be comparing this external enclosure drive with the Western Digital external drive. So you can see the size comparison. So it's a little bit bigger. So the next thing I'll be doing is connecting this to a PC and looking for how much speeds this enclosure gives. Hey Google, turn on the lights.
Alright, turning the light on.
So here we are for the testing of the hard disk enclosure. So now I'm going to connect the hard disk into the PC. So as you can see, there is a power LED that lights blue color and the hard disk usage indicator. Now I'm gonna go into the PC and test the speeds. So here we are inside the PC. So I just connected the hard drive. So here is the hard drive, works properly. So now let's test the speeds. I'm using Crystal Disk Mark for the speed testing. So let's get into it. let's select the hard drive. So let's start the speed test. So that's it guys. So thank you for watching. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and peace.